Let's understand the working of the circuit. The heart of the circuit is LM358 dual operational amplifier IC. In this circuit, the IC is configured in comparator mode. The comparator compares two input voltages and measure which input voltage is the larger, then it provides output. Pin number 2 and 3 are the input pins, and pin number 1 is the output pin. The IC gets a 5.1 volt reference in pin number 2 from Zener diode. We set a threshold voltage of 5.2 volt in pin number 3 by adjusting the 5K trim pot. Full charge volt of the battery is 16.8 volt, and battery low volt is 13.2 volt. While charging a low battery, the voltage of pin 3 will be lower than the reference voltage. As the battery charges, the voltage of pin number 3 will increase. When the battery is fully charged, the pin number 3 voltage will be higher than the reference voltage, which make a positive voltage on pin number 1. This positive voltage will turn on the transistor and the associated relay circuit, while relay in on condition, which will cut supply to the battery and protect from overcharging. Let's make the circuit. XL4015 is using for regulate the voltage and current from the 20-volt DC power supply. Connect the module into the DC power supply and adjust the output voltage and current. Set the output voltage in 16.8 volt. Set the output current in 1 ampere. Connect the regulated output into the battery auto cutoff circuit board. Set the threshold voltage just 0.1 volt above the reference voltage.